Well?
Yeah, I live in Harran. This is my parents' house.
Okay.
My grandfather takes 7 wives.
I just thought.
Sabit bin Kurra, Jabir bin Hayyam, all teachers study in here.
Oh, okay.
Jabir bin Hayyam calculated the correct distance and chemistry, everything discovered from here.
This city has actually been mentioned in the Bible several times. It has to be said that Hazrat Ibrahim went past here with his nephew Hazrat Lut. The Syria border is only 15 kilometers away from here, and there is we are at Şuayıpşehri. This city has been named after Hazrat Shuayb al-Islam, who was the father-in-law of Hazrat Isa, and has believed to be by this region people that he used to live here. Do you speak English?
Your name is?
My name is Rifat. And yours? Your name?
My name is Khalid.
Khalid. These are very old ancient cities of Turkey where the Greeks, Romans, Persians, Seljuk, Mamluk, Ottomans, everybody have come to this region and have ruled. It's one of the ancient cities. There is more to Turkey than Istanbul, guys. Legend saying it must have been the reason for the birth of agriculture, so they could save the time for worship. So, Assalamu alaikum friends, and welcome back to Mashup Travels. Today I am taking you to very historical cities while we are traveling towards Shan al-Urfa. I'll be taking you to Harran city as well as the Şuayıpşehri. They both are actually dedicated to the prophets. And first it is Harran city, which is 57 kilometers away, and it's going to take us 1 hour and 6 minutes. As we reached Harran, we hired a guide for us to show us around a 3,000-year-old house, as well as the oldest university in this world.
My name is Ibrahim. Welcome to Harran.
And what are we doing today? What will you be showing us?
Harran is 5,000 years old. Cradle of civilization, Mesopotamia. This is center of the Mesopotamia. Now I will help you. I will show you all Mesopotamia.
Do you live here as well?
Yeah, I live in Harran. This is my parents' house.
Okay.
My grandfather takes 7 wives.
I just thought Harran will be like, nobody
se-
lives there.
From 7 wives, 45 children.
Yeah, but 7, brother, we can only have 4.
But I don't know how is take 7 wives. But
Did a couple of them pass away?
maybe
When they
she
pass
died,
away.
Maybe
Okay.
died.
Yeah,
and then
okay.
married away. This house it have 21 room. The feature is summertime cool and wintertime hot. This time nobody.
Okay, so you don't need any.
electricity or conditional. We have natural or conditional in here.
Oh, okay.
And every beehive 1,500 to brickstone.
Okay.
When it's rain, come to brickstone smelling rose oil.
Okay.
Because we are using the rose oil inside the brickstone.
This is the guest room.
Aga, this is Aga, village of boss of the village.
Oh, boss of the village.
Yeah, this room. Because Aga room door is not height. Make down because people like mudaris. When you go to the madrasa,
Yeah, the bow down.
bowed like that.
And respect.
And he's forbidden you go like that.
Okay.
You must boss because village of the boss. You
You show
must
respect.
you show respect and something. Another room is kitchen. Show you kitchen. And this is the kitchen because family is big.
So you cook in these
Make
utensils.
couscous like that in here. And this is the for floor. They put the bread for hand like that. And this is the room. It have for keystone. You can see the keystone. If you take one stone, roof is destroyed.
Oh,
Which is not this place. All roof because like
They
as
all
I told-
interlocked.
Interlocked, yeah.
Yes.
They're using the keystone.
Yeah.
yogurt, water, ayran. They make yogurt, water. 1 hours, like yogurt, or like playing with this. Butter is up, yogurt water is down.
Jahez,
From 200
dowry.
years ago. They're using the blue color because for
Okay, from the blue color, scorpions and
just
snakes.
not in all Anatolian, and also
Okay.
Izmir, Mediterranean people also believe it like that.
Oh,
Not
right.
Oxford, not Harvard. All those before Christ, 3,000 years BC. This tower, astronomic tower.
Okay.
They built Babylon and Assur. They built the place. Tower is astronomic tower. Before the 75 meters, now is 33. Half is destroyed.
Oh, okay.
More one floor. Did you see the arch, like the
Yeah,
gate?
yeah.
Under the arch, maybe you see the pool, like the well.
Okay.
Yeah,
over there.
in the middle.
Evet, night people they put water
Yeah.
to well, and night moon star reflection the water,
Oh,
like the mirror.
Yeah.
Study astronomic, botanic, el-Battani, Sabit bin Kurra, Jabir bin Hayyam, all teachers study in here.
Oh, okay.
Jabir bin Hayyam calculated the correct distance and chemistry, everything discovered from here. But 11th century with Genghis Khan destroyed all Anatolian. Library, Farabi library put to the river,
yes.
and Islamic civilization
Yeah.
finished.
Yeah.
After the early 13th century, all teachers go to the European. Maybe you visited El Hamra.
Yes,
Yeah.
last year.
In El Hamra, all teachers go to the Dar and study lamp, like light, dark European with El Hamra, Andalus, Umayyad
Yes.
is open the light again to Europa.
Oh.
And Islamic geography, Islamic land go down.
Okay.
Now between 100 years, European and Harran.
So guys, this is the world's oldest university, 3,000 years old, and as the guide told us that there's a lot of ulama have had their education from here, but when Genghis Khan came, he did destroy everything and he threw all the books in the river. And after that, all the ulama went to Spain, Al-Andalus, Al-Hamra, and they started the light again by studying there and bringing Islam back to this world. Another piece of information about this city is, like we know Hazrat Nuh al-Islam, when Allah Ta'ala destroyed the whole world and only the people who were in his boat were saved. 400 years after that, actually, this is the city which was one of the bigger and more modern type of city which was created and lived at. Hazrat Ibrahim came 400 years after Hazrat Nuh al-Islam, and this was one of the first cities which were developed since the world was destroyed. This is the city as I'm showing you, the Harran city, which was named after Hazrat Ibrahim. This city has actually been mentioned in the Bible several times. It has to be said that Hazrat Ibrahim went past here with his nephew Hazrat Lut. They actually stayed in this place while they were migrating to Canaan. Then this city is also said to be that Hazrat Shuayb went through here as well, and Hazrat Musa. The significance this city have is the descendant of Hazrat Ibrahim, Hazrat Ayub, actually spent a lot of time here. A lot of time he spent here with his family, and there is his qabr nearby. We will see about 50 kilometers. We will see if we can visit that, and I will take you around to that place as well to show you Hazrat Ayub's turbesi according to some of the tradition. I will show you around a bit more. The walls of the city all around, and this city is 50 kilometers away from Shan el-Urfa. It's more south, as I said, it's nearer to the Syrian border. The Syrian border is only 15 kilometers away from here. We've been in 2010, just before the war. Guys, we are at Şuayıpşehri. This city has been named after Hazrat Shuayb al-Islam, who was the father-in-law of Hazrat Isa, and has believed to be by this region people that he used to live here. Merhaba. Nasılsınız?
İyiyiz.
İyiyim, teşekkür.
Buradan gitsin.
I was just asking the kids how are they doing. Do you speak
What's
English?
your name is?
My name is Rifat. And yours? Your name?
My name is Halit.
Khalid. Are you Turkish or are you Syrian or are you Kurdish?
Turkish.
Arabi. You Arab. From Syria?
Merhaba.
Merhaba. Nasılsınız?
İyi, siz nasılsınız?
İsmi?
Betül.
Betul.
Betül.
Betül. İsmi?
Firdevs.
Hı?
Firdevs.
Firdevs.
İyi.
Ah.
My name is Salih.
Saleh. Oh.
Sizin?
Is there a school here? Dersga madrasa?
Evet.
Mm. İsmi?
Ahmed.
Ahmed.
Betül.
Betul.
Leyla.
Layla. Oh, Layla's a bit shy, guys. Here we got to the Şuayıpşehri. It took us 45 minutes from Harran city to get there because the roads are very small. There is some excavation, kind of research or something going on. There are some caves which have been closed down. We can't go in there, it's probably not safe to go in there. As it is very windy here, guys, so I'm not really quite sure how much you can hear me. But as I just given you the information about this city, the city is named after Hazrat Shuayb and said to be that he lived in this city, and Hazrat Musa came to this city when he ran off after killing a man in the palace of Pharaoh because he was scared of the punishment he will get from Pharaoh, so he ran off and he came here according to the Turkish traditions. But what we do know is that that city was Mardin, not this city, but Allah knows best. I am only giving you the information what I've got from Google or from the people of Turkey or from the area. Could be that they migrated into a different land and he might have stayed here for a while with his family. Like I said, they are all legends. So let's look around and I will show you the city. There it is, guys. Oops, it's very windy. I can't even, and it's so sunny, I can't even see what I'm recording. We are inside the house of Shuayb and we're gonna go in there. Oh,
Burada.
Go inside.
Musa.
there's a little mosque in here as well. Thank you very much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe for more from Southeast Turkey and Uzbekistan coming soon.